Hi, in today's video I want to discuss the order of operations, which is the set of rules that you will be following when you come across a calculation in chemistry. So the order of operations has a mnemonic that goes along with it, and some of you may have known or heard of this mnemonic before, but I want you to be aware of it in this class as well. So the mnemonic is PEMDAS, P-E-M-D-A-S, and each of those letters in that word represents an order of operations that you will perform in a chemistry or any type of calculation. So the P represents parentheses, E exponents, M multiplication, D division, A addition, S subtraction. Now there are two notes in this order of operations. First off, the multiplication and division can be interchanged. What that means is division can come before multiplication and multiplication can come before division. It doesn't matter which one of those comes first, as long as both of these come after the exponents and before the addition and subtraction. The second note that I want you to be aware of is the addition and subtraction. These, just like the multiplication and division, can be interchanged as well. So you can have subtraction before addition or addition before subtraction, but both of those have to come after everything else in the order of operations. So remember the word PEMDAS. That'll help you to identify the order of operations for any mathematical calculation. Now let's see this in action. Let's try a problem. So here we have 3 plus 7 squared divided by 20 plus 4. Now you can't just simply plug this into a calculator. You have to go through the order and make sure you understand which calculation comes first. So based on our PEMDAS, we know that anything in a parenthesis comes first. We do that calculation first. So since we have a parenthesis, 3 plus 7, we're going to do that calculation first. So 3 plus 7 equals 10. Everything else in the equation stays the same. So the square is there, the 20 is there, the 4 is there. We haven't done anything with those. All we did was the calculation within the parentheses. Since we have an exponent, that's the second one down in PEMDAS, we're going to perform that exponent now. So we get 10 squared is 100. We're going to divide that by 20 plus 4. Again, we didn't do anything to the 20 or the 4. Now we have a division, so I'm going to do a double arrow, which means next step. 100 divided by 20 is 5. And nothing again happened to the 4. And then the last in the PEMDAS application is going to be the addition. We have 5 plus 4, that equals 9. So by going through and using PEMDAS, this order of operations, we can perform a calculation and get the correct answer. If you go out and do something outside of the order of operations in the incorrect order, you may end up getting the incorrect answer. And this happens a lot on exams. So just remember the word PEMDAS and follow it every time you do a calculation, and you'll be fine for the course. With that, I want to say I'll see you all in class.